Hello friends, welcome to Quickly. Today I'm going to show you how to create email signature easily. This email will have some clickable links, so I'll show you how you can easily create this email signature. So the first thing what you are going to do, just to go open your favorite browser and search for Canva. Then in this Canva, click the first one, then in the search box, search for template for email signature. So it will bring a number of sample email signatures. So you can choose any one of these and you can modify it according to your requirement. And for this demonstration, let us choose one of these and let us modify it and let us add some clickable thing. Then we'll see how it will work. So then click. I chosen this sample email signature. Then customize this email signature. Then after that, you can customize this one, which means you can modify it according to your requirement. So the first thing, as an example, if you want to change this image, click there, then choose the backspace, then it will remove this one. Then after that, upload your image. So this is the sample image as an example, or you can go here and upload it from your desktop or from any location. Open it like this, then after that, you can move it like this and keep it like this. So this is the first thing. Then you can move it up, down, somewhere else, any place you want. So like this, I move it like this. So the next thing, what you are going to do, just you can modify this text. You can modify this text. The first thing, you can change the name. As an example, and click here, Jack Muller. So you can change the text style. Click here and choose this one, Jack Muller. So you can modify according to your requirement. Then after that, you can also move it up and down like this, and you can also insert additional line here by click here, duplicate option, then move it up like this, and you can write like founder, like at Muller Manufacturing. So you can modify it like this, otherwise founder Muller Manufacturing. So you can change the text style like this, you can make it bold, you can remove this one, and you can change the text style, the text color, choose any color like this, and you can also modify something like this, the text like this. So you can modify it, you can resize it, increasing the size or decreasing the size like this. So you can modify according to your requirement. And then after that, you can change this color also, like you can make it red like this, then you can make it such a color. So after that, you can also modify this, your numbers, you can change your numbers, you can change your email address, Muller gmail.com. So University Street, then you can change the city like this, and you can also change your website like this. Then after made such modifications, you can also modify the color as we said before, and the text style you can also change according to your requirement. After finishing this, download. Then after finishing this, download it and keep it in your desktop like this. So this one is the sample signature. So what you are going to do next, you have to add some clickable things such as YouTube link, LinkedIn, or Facebook. So what you are going to do, just open here the same Canva. Then after that, go here Canva. Then here custom size, you have to choose the minimum size, which is 40 pixel by 40. Then create new design. After that, this will come. Go to Elements and search for YouTube logo. You see, it will bring like this, or you can go for graphics, YouTube graphics. It will bring like this. So click here, any one of these, and move it like this. Then after that, duplicate this page, remove this one, and search for LinkedIn. LinkedIn logo, then go for this one, bring it here like this. Then also, if you are using any social media, you can bring it as an example. You can go for Facebook. Then you can choose this one, bring it here and move it like this. Then after that, what you are going to do, download it. To download it as a zip file, because there are 3 items here. Then let us copy this one. New folder, social media. Then let us open it and keep it here. Then after that, extract it here. So view. So there are 3 items here. So what you are going to do next, just inserting this one is too big in the email signature. It is too big, the email signature, so we have to modify it. We have to resize this one. So what you are going to do, click here and search for resize image, just Lunapic. Search for it. Then this, you can click here choose file, social media, the first one YouTube, open it. You see now it is 40 by 40. Let us make it 25 by 25. Then after that, resize image, then download it. So it is downloaded here. Let us paste it, and we'll remove this one. So by using the same procedure, download now. Then we'll open the folder. Let us copy all. Okay, all these items and paste them here. One of the items is repeated, so it will replace it. So this is the final resized sizes of these 3 different items. So what is next? You have to go to your email. So go to your Gmail. Then after that, go to setting. Then see all settings. Now scroll it down like this, move to signature, no signature, this area, click new. Then in this you have to name new signature, so sample signature. Then create. You see now this box will pop up, sample signature is there. So this is the area where we will insert our signature. So we prepared our signature. What you are going to do next, go here, insert image option, then upload, select from computer, then go to desktop. You see this one is our prepared signature. Click there, then open it. You see now this is a signature. It is here. So what is next? We have to add some more things, clickable links as we said it before. So this is the mouse, it is blinking. So if you touch the left arrow, it will move to the other side. Then after that, click enter once, use enter key and enter once. So it will come like this. Then after that, go to image again, insert image, upload, and go to this device and social media. Then bring them one by one. It is not to select them at once like this, or by using control it is not possible to choose the 3 items once. So click the YouTube first, then open it, uploading. You see now it is inserting it there. Give some space, double click the space like this, then upload again. Go here, upload, then link it in, open. It is uploading, it will take some time. Then the second item is here, space, double click, double space, then select there, then finally Facebook, then open it. It is uploading, it will take some time, then finally it is coming here. So you can move your mouse, this click one left arrow like this. It is jumping from one station to another one. Then after it is coming to the left side, you can move it like this. So you can keep it, the location, you can decide the location. You can keep it like this under the picture, under your picture. Otherwise you can move it under this, under your details like this. You see? So now let me move it to my under the picture like this. Then after that I'll show you how to insert the link. To insert the link, you see, this is the link. This is the link, and I only for this demonstration I'll show you how to insert a link for YouTube. So what you are going to do is select the YouTube icon like this. Right? select like this. Then after that, go to link. You see link, insert image link. So click the link. Then after that, in this, go to YouTube. And as an example, let me search quick clear. This one is the my channel. Then click this one at the top. Copy the URL. Then go back here. Then insert this address. See? Then after that, okay. Now it took the link. The link is inserted. Then after that, what you are going to do, we finished all the necessary things. You can use the same procedure to insert a link for Facebook like this. Choose this one and go to the link here and insert the link. For LinkedIn, also the same procedure you can follow. Then after that, go here. You see this one is sample signature. So no signature means it will not, even if you are inserting this one, it will not recognize if you are not selecting the right signature. So no signature, you have to choose, click here, sample signature, here, sample signature. Then after that, scroll it down like this and choose save changes. Now it is saved. So let us try how it will work. Compose an email. Then you see when you click the compose, it will come like this. Compose, it will generate it like this. Then after that, you can choose your receiver. Then send. Here if you click, it will open directly open the YouTube link for this sender. This is the YouTube link. We link it with this email. This is very easy. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.